Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Modeler here. Just wanted to give a quick update on what I've been up to and my latest project this weekend. I finally decided to dive in and build this Stormtrooper. Been watching Mandalorian a lot lately, and just had this Stormtrooper here, and I figured, well, you know what? Let me give it a shot. And one thing I loved about this one is it came really well painted, where I did not have to paint it myself. This is the original black and white that it came in, and so I decided not to paint it. I had a feeling that if I tried to paint it, I might make it look worse than it looks now. I mean, I'm probably going to put a little bit of a dull coat after I'm finished applying decals. There are a few decals for the helmet there, for the sides and the rear and the mouth part. Just a couple, not too many, which is another reason why I'm enjoying this quite a bit. So I was able to build this in a couple hours, and I painted the base. It looks really good. It came with a few options on. I have the pistol in its holster. I've got the standard blaster. It even came with a rifle. But I wanted the classic look of the blaster, so there's different hand choices and stuff. So look here, you see a bunch of the choices you have on the posing, and different hands that you can easily just pop out and pop back in. I see there where he's pointing. You have a hand for pointing. You have another hand with his fist closed. You know, so you have choices on what you want to do. Just follow the directions really carefully. There was one point where I was on the wrong step, and I was wondering why two pieces were not fitting together. But that's always the clue. Don't keep going if that's happening, you know. So just keep in mind, follow the direction carefully. This is a very easy build. I did not paint it, like I said. And now that I did this one, I'm going to go ahead and do Luke Skywalker. And I also have Han Solo. I was worried about these because of the face. But if you look at the box, which let me show you the box here. And you look in here, this is pretty much the same kit except for the head. You know, it comes with a helmet also. But oops, dropped that on the floor. You look at that face. I mean, I would not be able to paint this better. I mean, I'm sure there are lots of you guys out there that would do 10 times a better job of painting this face. But I mean, you've got different flesh tones. You've got the eye. You've got slightly different color on the lips. So I'm not going to paint this one either. This one I'm just going to build just as is. This is a very nice, very nicely done face. So here you have the same, basically the same kit, and you have a helmet, you know, where you can swap it out and have another Stormtrooper, or you have Luke with his hair, and he can hold the helmet in his hands. So these are easy. Don't have to light them up. Don't have to paint them. Just put them together. Maybe I use glue in one spot so far, and see here, there's a little bit of an opening here, so I think I might glue that. And glue this one too. Just a few spots where it tends to separate out. I mean, this has lots of motion here. I mean, you can move his arm. It's just a lot of things. The joints in the hip. I mean, it just, you have lots of ways to pose him. So sometimes it gets a little stress on the parts, and they start to open up if you don't glue them. I didn't want to glue them until I had everything done to make sure I didn't make a mistake. So, and that's it for now. That's it for today. So keep a lookout. I got a bunch of different projects I've been working on. Of course, you know, 10 projects started, and I just only finished one. But I'll show you guys what I'm working on this holiday season. All right, guys. Till then, talk to you later.